Welcome to the video on the different Lansweeper deployment options. When you start deploying Lansweeper, one of the key things that you need to decide first off, as you kind of jump into Lansweeper, is kind of which deployment method you'll end up using. And Lansweeper has basically three different options of deployment, starting with the oldest one, which is Lansweeper Classic. This is our, as the name says, our classic product. It has a completely different architecture for which we do have a separate video if you're interested in that. It basically is an on-premise product, you could say, that is Lansweeper as a lot of our customers have known it over the last 20 years. Now, the second option that you have is a hybrid option, Lansweeper, you could say Lansweeper Hybrid, where you use Lansweeper Classic, but you connect it to to a Lansweeper site, which is cloud hosted. That, in a way, gives you some of the additional functionality, additional features that Lansweeper site offers people nowadays. Your third option then is to just go for Lansweeper site, which means that you'll be on our latest, most modern architecture that will ensure that you have the latest features, functionalities available to you, and that you have the most flexibility as well when it comes to your deployment options, where you deploy it, how you deploy it, etc. Obviously, there are plenty of differences between these three different models. Now, from an architectural point of view, if you go with the latest, your Lansweeper site deployment, you'll basically have Windows, Linux, and Mac support for all of your components that you need to distribute and deploy in your environment. You'll have automatic updates for your deployment as well, and it'll be easier for you to set it up and also to expand it, to do load balancing, to set it up for distributed environments, and a lot more. So it's just more user-friendly, more easier, and obviously one of the things that I'll get to now is from a product point of view, you'll have a lot more features. Now, most of the features will also be available in your hybrid setup, but as time goes on, as we rely on this new modern way of doing discovery, it is likely that some of the functionality, some of the features will only become available for a Lansweeper site deployment that is based on our latest kind of discovery architecture. Additional things that are, let's say, exclusive to you having a Lansweeper site are things like data federation. So if you have data coming from multiple geographic locations into one central database, you'll need Lansweeper site for that. Data normalization, something that's very important when it comes to software where there's no normalization in the industry with software names or versions. Lansweeper site has software normalization in it, so not only your software is normalized, but further than that, also devices, etc., is also normalized. So a lot of the data is normalized there. Role-based access control is another one where you can ensure that only the people that are responsible or that are allowed to see certain devices can see those devices and others cannot. Again, comes into play a lot of times when we talk about geographically distributed environments where EU can only see EU devices, North America can only see North America devices, etc. Obviously, your Lansweeper site will have a different user interface. You'll have a more modern, more user-friendly user interface. That'll be easier to work with. And you'll also have more options to customize your user interface to your needs. Integrations and API. The Lansweeper site has all the integrations and an API in case there's something you want to integrate custom with, whereas Classic is based on a SQL Server database, where theoretically you can create integrations with that by hooking into a SQL database. But obviously, it's not as easy, it's not as straightforward, it requires a lot more configuration and setup, etc. And then last but not least, the exclusive features that we have in Lansweeper site, things like risk insights, network diagrams, public cloud discovery, workflows, and much more are all only available in a Lansweeper site. And again, we recommend going with a Lansweeper site deployment that uses the latest architecture as well, so that you are using the very latest and very best that we have to offer. It'll make your life easier, and you'll get a lot more out of it that way. That'll be it for kind of the differences between the different deployment modules. If you want to learn more, head over to the next video.